Hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to talk about Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is a great tool you can use to upload, create, and edit your files right inside your internet browser. What's great about this? It's awesome because you can access your files and edit them from any computer. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up the internet browser. In this case, I'll use Microsoft Edge. Okay, and then I'm going to navigate over to office.com. All right, so if you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you can just go ahead and sign in and you'll see this screen. If you don't have an account and want to learn how to get one, check out the link below in the description where I go over how to get started with a Microsoft 365 account. Okay, so once here, you'll see that on the home screen, you can actually start creating a file if you would like, and you'll see your recently accessed documents. However, if you want to organize and manage your OneDrive files or upload new ones, you'll want to go over here to your app switcher in the top left corner. It looks like a waffle. And you're going to click on OneDrive. Okay, when OneDrive loads, you're going to see your files here and folders that you can access and start working on your files. Now, if you're just starting out and you want to get organized, you can go up here and click on New, and you can create a new folder. I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder for my School of Rock and create. Okay, so now we see we have a new folder called Rock School. So I can click into here and I can begin uploading files into here or creating new ones. So to upload a file, I can go up here to the top and click my upload option. I can upload files or a complete folder. Now, the other way you can upload is drag and drop. So I can come over here and open my file navigator and navigate to the file that I would like to bring in. All right, so this is a file about the school that I manage called Brian Sensei's School of Rock.
The sustain, listen to it.
I'm not hearing anything.
You would, though, if it were playing.
To bring this in, I'll simply click and drag and drop it right into the web page. And look at that, uploaded, boom, shakalaka. And here it is. The file now lives in the cloud. So what do we mean by files in the cloud? This essentially means that instead of the files being stored on your computer, the files are stored on an offsite computer somewhere else, but connected to the internet so that you can access those files through an internet browser. Okay, so now I can click on the file. It will open right in the browser. It will launch Word Online. And now I can begin editing the file in the browser. So maybe I want to highlight this opening, or I want to make edit changes. I can do all of that. And notice that we have our ribbon up here where we can access all of our formatting options. It's pretty much everything that you have access to when you use the desktop app. And the cool thing about this is you don't have to save as you go. Everything automatically saves for you. When you're done, you can simply close the browser. Now, another thing you can do is start a new file from scratch. So let's say I need to make a file regarding the marketing plan for Brian Sensei's School of Rock. I'll go here to New, and I'll start a new Word document. Now you'll notice at the top that it says document 1. This is the file name, so I can click here and rename this and hit enter. And now we can see that the file's been renamed and I could start editing. And again, it automatically saves as I go, and I can simply close the tab when I'm finished. And that's how you upload and create new files in your OneDrive. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. It doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it will help me keep my channel going. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. and I'll see you on the next one.